Hello everybody and welcome to our FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the FbCadCam application using the grid tool. The grid tool is the most important tool. It is created to be guided you to create a line or something. If you want to create a circle and an object in any shape. So to use a grid tool, just click this icon, the grid. Then it will show you in the drawing area that it's a lot of dots. So this is your guidelines. So to create a line and to be accurate of your object. So to adjust your grid, go to the grid properties icon. Then adjust it, for example, to 50. Then I will adjust it here to 50. So as you can see, it adjusted my grid so that I can see a lot of dots. So if I want to adjust in the drawing area, just go to the pan icon, click here, then move anything you want in the drawing area. So we've done creating a grid, and then next is we want to click this snap to grid icon so that it points out in any point of this, anywhere we want. So for example, then I want to point this in the center of my line, the center for creating a circle, for example. I want to expand it. Okay, so that my radius is 200. So as you can see, it points out when I create a circle in my starting point. It points out in the dots of my grid, so you can see, so that it adjusts you. It can be accurate of your object. So that I want to create more of my circle. So I think this is 150. So it's good to balance between 200 and 150 of my circle. So I want to create a third circle for my base circle, so that it is 100, 150, and the 200. My third circle is more accurate, it's easy to use to create something like involute gear. So I think this is a good start for many new users here. So if you want to add the line here, just click at the center, then create a line here and then down. So if you know this logo already, it looks like a ABS-CBN channel if you know this. So I created this kind of drawing and object. That's how you use the grid tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learn a lot. So leave a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.